In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Trello labels. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Trello is a fantastic project management tool, but sometimes you might find that you need to clean up your labels. Whether you're reorganizing your board or just want to streamline your workflow, knowing how to delete labels can be incredibly helpful. First things first, let's start by logging into your Trello account. Once you're in, navigate to the specific board that contains the label you want to remove. You can find your boards listed on the main dashboard, so go ahead and click on the one you want to work with. Now that you have your board open, the next step is to find a card that currently uses the label you want to delete. Click on that card to open its detailed view. This will allow you to make the changes to the labels more easily. In the card window, you'll want to locate the Labels button. This is usually positioned near the bottom of the card details. You can either click on that button or directly click on one of the labels attached to the card. This will open the Labels menu where you can see all the labels associated with the card. Once you're in the Labels menu, take a look at the list of labels displayed there. Now, find the specific label that you want to delete. Next to it, you should notice a small pencil icon, which is what you'll click on to edit the label. This pencil icon may look a little different depending on your setup, but you can spot it easily. Now, when you click the pencil icon, it will take you to the Edit Label menu. This menu allows you to change the name or color of the label, but more importantly, it gives you the option to delete it. So go ahead and click the Delete button. After you click Delete, Trello will prompt you to confirm your decision. It's a good safety feature, ensuring that you don't accidentally remove labels you still need. So at this point, go ahead and click Delete again. There you go. The label is now permanently removed from your board and from any cards it was attached to. Remember, once you delete a label, it cannot be retrieved, so make sure you're certain before confirming that action. This simple process can really help keep your Trello boards organized and relevant to your ongoing projects. So, now you know how to delete Trello labels. It's a straightforward process that can make managing your tasks much easier. Keeping your labels under control is just one way to enhance your productivity using Trello. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Trello and other productivity tools. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!